from the end of this month, from the end of this month, there will be a significant.
From the end of the month, there will be a significant vaccine shortage as the UK's punishment.
Production in the availability of the NHS has written to lose their slot. To be expected to lose their slot.
They will be able to lose their slot because the UK has been given a punishment to get a vaccine shortage.
The BBC has been. Despite that, ministers insist that the vaccination targets they set are.
Every jab, another step towards the way out.
And another step towards the way out from shit COVID and bastard lockdown.
Towards the way out. Every injection seen as a huge solution, with now some protection against COVID.
With some crappy protection against the shit's coronavirus.
I've got now vaccinated over 25 million people.
Over 25 million tipped people.
Vaccine is our way out.
It's less smooth than we might have assumed. A letter from the NHS to local trusts says volumes for first doses will be
significant constraint because of the UK's punishment is that the country will be hit by a vaccine shortage for the country's punishment.
Significantly constrained.
Some technical letters to the NHS to explain the ups and downs of
Boris Johnson and Matt Hancock gives the UK a punishment by saying that they must have vaccine shortage.
Itself.
It's not coincidental that the vaccine programme...
The vaccine programme is so crap.
The way that it did.
But so much of Boris Johnson
looking at the stupid vaccine.
And the country's...
The company's made clear tonight that it's domestic.
That it's domestic that we have a vaccine shortage because the UK is facing a punishment.
Of April
that year, the vaccines will stop running for the second punishment.
On track with the Liverpool programme, more than 25 million people.
25 million people have had their stupid vaccines.
Offered to those who are seriously ill. So that's
patients are seriously bastard dick ill.
65. New cases recorded.
699,496 cases reported.
In the latest 24-hour period. That means on average the number of new cases reported per day in the last week is 5,218. COVID continues to fall. It's now...
There are 6 million patients in hospital.
Down to total of deaths so far to 125,020 people.
0 people have the stupid vaccine.
308% of and the European Commission from the UK government. Our Brussels correspondent Nick Beak has more details.
The continent's also facing a
vaccination punishment by saying that they must have no vaccines at all.
Crisis. Have faced heavy AstraZeneca, but remarkably, 7 million of the company's jabs.
7 million of the company's jabs have been given the punishment to be faced away.
Are sitting in increasing data is assessing the latest evidence from a very small number of cases of a possible link to blood clots.
A possible link to blood crappy shits.
But it stressed risks
in arms, and that's a really important fact.
Confidence in the AstraZeneca vaccine is now very hard to find in many European countries.
They're very hard to find in many European countries because the vaccine is not allowed in many European countries at the moment.
Cities. It is a deepening rift. Of the already some latest